Okay, here we go. Court is in session in cause number 332-302. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Paula Renee Hebert or Paula Renee Hebert.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Hebert, is that your full name?
Yes.
Ms. Hebert, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Hebert, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Hebert, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Hebert?
I'm grading you.
I'm fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Hebert, you represented here by your attorney, Mr. William Wilkerson or Marcus Wilkerson. Mr. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Mr. Wilkerson, do you waive a record in Ms. Hebert's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Hebert, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information is filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. This information alleges that on or about July 1st of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Ms. Hebert, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, Ms. Hebert, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, you pleaded no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes.
Ms. Hebert, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. It's also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials PH that are on a line next to a box that's checked nola contendere, which means no contest. Ms. Hebert, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, I did.
And on the next page of the same document, Ms. Hebert, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Ms. Hebert, did you also sign this document?
Yes.
And Ms. Hebert, on the next document that is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes.
And at the top of the same document, Ms. Hebert, there are two boxes that are checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And the second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, Ms. Hebert, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Hebert, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir, I am.
Yes. Now, State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1. State, you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer States 1.
No objection, Your Honor, and also no objection to the probable cause affidavit, I assume will be submitted to States 2.
And State, you're submitting States 2 as well?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer States 2.
Okay, no objection. States 1 and 2 are admitted. Now, Mr. Wilkerson, you've advised the counsel, Ms. Hebert, is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Hebert, your attorney, Mr. Wilkerson, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, I am, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Hebert, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your pleas and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
You do,
Yes.
Your Honor.
And what is that plea bargain agreement, State?
Your Honor, in exchange for defendant's plea of no contest, the state is recommending confinement in Jefferson County Jail for a period of 60 days. The state is asking that the court give defendant credit for the 60 days she's previously spent in jail, making this a time served plea agreement, Your Honor. As for court costs, the state is asking that the court use the time served to both tax and retire the court costs, Your Honor.
Okay, state, well, Ms. Abear, the state is offering that you serve 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for time served. The court cost in this case, Ms. Abear, is $442, but you will not have to pay the court cost because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court cost will be taxed and retired. Ms. Abear, do you understand the state's offer? Ms.
Yes, I
Abear,
do.
and do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Abear, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Abear, this will conclude your case. Please follow, if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you'll be getting out today. Please follow the bill and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, and thank you, Mr. Wilkerson, for all of your help.
Okay, you're welcome.
Mr. Porter,
Yes, sir.
is that the last one?
I think Wilkerson is gonna handle one for Grove, but LeBlanc's here.
Okay.
We could do that.
Okay, just hold on a minute. Okay, we'll